celebrating 75 years of service to education.
Lesson 1, Computer, It's Working. In this chapter, we will see how the computer works. The topics are computer system, what is a computer, working of computer, characteristics of computer. Let us see our first topic, that is computer system. The word computer comes from compute, that means calculation. Computer system is a combination of hardware and software. Hardware is any physical part of the computer system that we can touch, that we can hold it. Softwares, softwares are the set of instructions, or we can say call it programs, that are used to perform some task on computer. So computer system is a combination of hardware and software. Computer system. The labeled diagram of a computer system you can see now. Here, combination of output devices, input devices, and the processing devices. So here the output devices are monitor. Monitor is the output device that shows you the result. Printer is the output device that gives you the output in the form of a hard copy, means on the page. Then speakers gives you output in the form of sound. This is also an output device. Input device is keyboard and mouse. Both are used to give the data to the computer. And output is monitor. This monitor shows you the result. The next topic is, what is a computer? A computer is an electronic machine which receives data as input, processes it, and gives you the output. You can see here the computer works on the principle of input, process, and output. The computer first takes input from the user, processes it, and gives us the result in a useful form. Before going ahead, let us understand some important terms. First one is data. Data are the collection of raw facts, means any unorganized thing that is called as data. Say Ram, Sham, Vinay, 25, 86 percentage, like that. Means this data are always unorganized. It will not give you any type of information. Data are unorganized. The next is process. The process, the action that is taken by the computer to convert the input into the output, it is called as process. Processing is done by the CPU of the computer system. Information. After processing, the computer gives us the meaningful and the organized data called as information. Next is hardware, that is physical components of computer system. Software, set of programs that allows us to perform some particular task. And the last one is user. The person who is using computer is called as user, just like you are using computer for learning and I am using the computer for teaching. So we all are the users of computer. Let us see the working of computer. The working of computer is based on the following principle: input, process, output. Input, process, output. So first, computer accepts data in the form of input, processes the data as per the requirement of instructions, shows the result in the form of output. This working can be better understood with this block diagram. See, the user is giving the data using this input device, that is keyboard, mouse. Then CPU processes this data and then gives the organized data, means information, to the output unit that is seen by us. The block diagram here shows us that the user is giving input in the form of data. The CPU processes this data and gives us the information. Here the example is the sum of 6 and 6. So here the input we are given 6, first input, second 6, second input, and the plus operator. Using this keyboard, we give the data and the CPU processes this information 6 plus 6 and gives the 12 as the final result that we can see on the monitor. So this is how a computer works, and that is called as IPO cycle, input process output cycle. Let's move to our last topic of this chapter, characteristics of computer. Speed, storage, versatility, accuracy, and diligence. These are the characteristics of computer. Let us see the first feature called as speed. The working speed of computer is very fast. It can perform thousands of calculations in a second. That is not possible for us because we need time for calculating the means large numbers. But computers don't need any time. It can perform a calculation very fastly. Storage. We can store with limited amount of information in our brain and also for a shorter period of time. But computer has a very large storage capacity and it can store large amount of work for a long time. Versatility. It means computer can work different places for different purposes. Just like in railway station, tickets are reserved using a computer. In schools, the computers are used for learning, for teaching. Similarly, airport and for air flight tickets we are using. Then in the banks for handling the accounts of different customers. So computer uses is different at different places. The next is accuracy. Accuracy means correctness. Means the computer gives you the result 100% correct. It cannot make any mistake on its own. If we give wrong input to the computer, then only the computer result is wrong. But if computer is getting proper input, then sure it gives you the correct result. And the last feature is diligence. Computer can do a lot of work again and again at the same speed without getting bored or tired. On the other hand, we see human beings. We feel tired after working continuously 6 to 7 hours, then we need rest. But computer can work 24 hours without asking for any rest. So this all are the features of computer. So in this chapter, we have seen the four important topics. That is, first one is computer system. Second one is what is a computer. Then we have seen working of the computer system, and at last characteristics of computer. I hope you understand properly. Thank you.